Week 16, Day 2, Queens, Workers, Drones. Each colony of honeybees consists of three classes. A, the queen, who is a prolific layer of eggs. Prolific means great quantity. She produces lots of eggs. We can talk about a prolific writer, one who writes a lot of articles, a lot of books. A prolific composer has written a lot of musical works. So prolific means a huge quantity. B, the worker, who is the bulwark of the colony. Bulwark means the supporting member of a bridge. The bulwark is what holds everything up. It's the most important part, the base. And C, the sedentary drone, whose only function is to mate with a young queen. All right, the sedentary means he doesn't do anything, work. He just sits around. So as a problem with most adults in the U.S. is we live sedentary lifestyles. We don't get out and exercise. We sit and watch TV all the time. So the sedentary drone doesn't work. All he does is mate with a young queen. He fertilizes her eggs. All right, that's his only job. The queen lays the eggs that hatch into thousands of female workers. Some queens live as long as 5 years and lay up to 1 million eggs. The frugal worker, frugal means watches his money or is industrious, doesn't spend excessively. The frugal worker builds and maintains the nest, collects and stores the honey, and is the antithesis of the lazy drone. Antithesis means opposite, complete opposite. So the drone is very lazy, sedentary. The worker bee is very frugal but very industrious, works very hard. Of the lazy drone or male honeybee who does not work and has no sting. When the drone is no longer needed, the workers, in effect, liquidate him by letting him starve to death. Liquidate, kill. It's a polite word for killing someone or something. Liquidate it. It's a financial term. When a business goes out of business, when a company goes out of business, they liquidate their assets. So they sell the buildings, they sell all of the inventory, turn it into money, cash. That's liquid assets. You can spend those. You can't spend a building, but you can spend the cash. So you liquidate the assets by letting him starve to death. It's a cruel, cruel world.
Thank you.